Vaticano. I am Cardinal Aldon, and I will be gonna be announced. The Vaticanum is will be gonna open in December eh, bas- eh, just will be open in December. We will announce what date on the December, but today is the Vaticanum is working and is under construction because ro the the opening of the Vaticanum. So um the Vaticanum we need to call the other one to be a priest bishop, but we need gonna be a when do you want to be a priest? Just add me in the Discord and and um and you gonna be a seminarian and will be ordained the priest. And we have when the Vatican have a pope, the Vaticanum have a pope, we will gonna be we will be we will be consistory, the other priest to be a bishop, cardinal, will be ordained. Yes, because we need more cardinals and priests, bishop, because we have today we have a cardinal of five cardinal. We have five cardinals today, but when you want to be a priest, just say to me, and I'm gonna be send my username in Discord in comment section. So thank you, and the raw opening of the Vaticanum was in the December, but we will be gonna announce for in the what date on the December for the raw opening of of the Vaticanum Revolution. So you can support our group Vaticanum Revolution and the when the Vaticanum was open, the conclave was in the on January. Yes, in the January. Because why is not the November is the opening? Because today is under construction. Many fix the other particles of the Vaticanum. We will need to be a beautiful, and we need to be a and the Vaticanum, the central, will be gonna be one of us, the Vaticanum and the Sistine Chapel. It's one game only, but the other churches is another game, and you can now support our group, subscribe our group, and fo- follow our group, the Vaticano. Thank you. Gracias.